Okay, this is the dongle I will use. Then this is my capture card. You pick a capture card like this. You will connect this dongle to your phone. Connect your HDMI like this. Just try to connect your HDMI. Connect this HDMI to it. See there. Connect HDMI to it. So you connect HDMI to your phone. Then your capture card also you connect it like this. This is your first time coming to this channel, this is Mega Project Story. You like and subscribe to this channel. Then you will connect your input. This is HDMI input. Put it here. Then you put it to your system. My system is a desktop system, so I'll plug it here. See there. You plug it like this. Number one, you can use a transmitter with it. I have a transmitter upstairs. I will have taken it and used it to do video. You can use a transmitter with it, and some transmitter only have Type C. You can use that transmitter as well. So this is what you do. You will come to and you plug it. Okay. You will see something like this dock. This dock. If you are using S22 or anything Samsung, you will see this dock. Just click on this dock. It will show. Let me show you the function of the dock on my phone. You come to vMix. This is your vMix input. You open your vMix. You open your camera. You pick it. You use USB audio, USB video 3. You open it like this on your vMix. On your vMix. So this is it. Can you see it on my input here? If you can see it on my input, then I will now click on this dock. This decks. Just click it like this. It will capture my screen. To capture my screen. See, it has captured my screen. Then what would I do now? You now go to your Blackmagic camera. Oh, your Blackmagic camera. When you open your Blackmagic camera, then it automatically shows it there. So the video quality is very, very neat. See the quality here. See the quality here. Then you will not be able to. You cannot change your settings on your Blackmagic camera. You can change your settings if you want to white balance, want to do other, I want to do the shutter speed, your ISO. But I've set this on to my own uniqueness. But you can set your own to whatever you want. It depends on your environment at the moment you want to shoot. But if your production in your church and everything, you can set it. You can just white balance your camera, then it will suit you to your production. So this is my home here. Can you see me? This is my, and this is it like this. Yeah, very okay and very nice. See the production. This is cool. Very okay. Then this is okay. Can you see me? Very okay. See, my face is dark. It's because there's no light here, but in your church, you may have enough light. You can have a good lighting. So you have a good lighting. Make sure that the lighting is okay and everything. So Blackmagic camera with your phone, Android phone. Just if you're using iPhone, the iPhone that's using Type C, it can also work perfectly with it. And if you can have a docking station that uses Type C, it will work perfectly with it. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can just subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and like and share the video. Thank you very much for your patiently waiting on this channel. Thank you very much. God bless you.